ARES Kudo also includes ARES AI Assist, simply known as A3, just like in ARES Commander. However, while A3 is a standard palette in ARES Commander, in ARES Kudo it is opened and hidden via the chat bubble in the bottom right corner. In both programs, A3 is your AI-powered CAD assistant, like a CAD expert on steroids. It supports multiple languages and answers all kinds of work-related questions. Interacting with it is similar to using ChatGPT, with the key difference being that A3 is very knowledgeable about CAD and ARES products. A3's main mission is to help you learn the software, assist with features, and explain their use. Make sure to start a new conversation if it is for a different topic. A3 will offer some suggestions so you can learn more about different topics and see examples of the types of questions you might ask it. You can even request more suggestions by clicking this button. Let's take the opportunity to learn about markups, which are ARES Trinity tools for commenting with images, stamps, and even voice recordings. A3 can explain it all to us. We can begin a new conversation and challenge A3 with requests like, suggest layer names for an architectural drawing. A3 speaks more than 50 languages, so you can ask questions in your own language, and A3 will reply the same way. Let's try asking in Spanish, for example. Next, we'll ask A3 to explain how to compare this drawing with another drawing that I received by email. As you can see, it's a very detailed response. A3 can also help us locate functions that we have used in other CAD programs, but don't know where to find in ARES Kudo. For example, we can ask, where is the feature to insert an image? While A3 provides a written answer, it also highlights the feature's location in the ribbon. Let's try another type of question. How to create a view-only link in ARES Kudo from the current drawing. View-only links allow you to share a link with your contacts to let them view and comment on your drawing online for free. Now let's ask for a unit conversion, for example, convert 12 acres to square yards. A3's expertise goes beyond CAD. It also provides industry-specific guidance. For example, how many queen-size bricks do I need for a wall that is 40 feet long by 8 feet high? We see that A3 knows the size of a queen-size brick and will do the calculation for you. You might even try, where can I find a course to learn ARES Kudo? And, of course, A3 will suggest taking it through our free online Graebert Academy.